Hey guys, my name's Alex, and this is my friend Artem with his 2015 Lancer, and he's going to be changing out his head unit for an Android system today.
I got this head unit. It's 10.2 inches, Android 9, so it's one of the later ones for the head units. This is supported for Lancers from 2008 and up, I believe, and yeah, it's an Android system for your Lancer.
And this is completely plug and play, and we'll be linking all the tools you'll need down in the description, so feel free to buy it, install it yourself. It's fairly easy.
So this is your power connector. It's your adapter to go from your car into the tablet. Just plugs in onto that side. Then you have your audio. This is for the auxiliary cable, and this is the blue one is your sub for your sub, and then these are for your speakers on the either side of the car. This is your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas. This is for your backup camera. This one's your USB. And then you have this. This is for the GPS. That just screws on to right there. And then there's this little one right here. That's for your antenna for your radio. Guys, so the first step, always disconnect your negative terminal. You don't want to pop any fuses, you know. If you don't have any extra fuses, that's kind of bad. Alright, so next what you want to do is taking the old radio out. What you do is you start from this side and you move over. There's a couple screws involved. The first thing you take out though is the glove box. You just push in the two tabs, then it goes down a little lower and you pop that right out. Then what you're going to want to do is take this little piece out and just take it and you pull it just like that. And then after that you want to take this off. So once you got all that off, then you can take this garnish piece off. It's just running on tabs. Just pop that off. Then you have this little piece. This is held together on 3 screws. I already took those off just to speed up the video a little bit. Then what you want to do is this is also, most of this is held on screws, so it's not all that difficult. You just, a little bit of prying is involved. Then the stereo, you got 4 screws. One right here, 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 and here.
Go.
Alright, so what you do next is you have a couple clips here to hold the vents in. You do have to take your vents off of the original garnish piece and put them onto the new one. There are 6 little clips. There's one right here, one right here. You also have 2 of them here, and then you have 2 of them on the back side. And then there is also one right here, I believe. And it is the same on both sides. So to take it off, you just pop those clips back. Alright, so what we're going to do first is going to put the antenna for the GPS on. I'm using Velcro, so I don't have to use the original sticky pad on it. we're just gonna stick this up right up here. So the way, and I'm gonna do it so that I could put the wire through the headliner, just so the wire looks out of the way. So it's gonna go this way like that, down, through, and through the dash, right into the head unit. So we're gonna do that real quick. All right, so we put the antenna up there. Now we're gonna route it through the headliner. All right, so now what's left is to test it, make sure it works, hazards turn on.